HBO is sticking with its plan to air a controversial Michael Jackson documentary next month, despite a new lawsuit filed by the late singer's estate. Leaving Neverland focuses on two men who say Jackson molested them when they were boys. In a statement, an attorney for Jackson's estate calls the movie a one-sided marathon of unvetted propaganda to shamelessly exploit an innocent man no longer here to defend himself.
This trailer is the only video HBO's released of the nearly 4-hour documentary Leaving Neverland, in which Wade Robson and James Safechuck allege Michael Jackson sexually abused them.
Hello, Wade. Today is your birthday.
It's set to air on HBO for the first time on March 3rd, but the Michael Jackson estate is pressuring HBO to try to stop that. A 53-page lawsuit claims the cable giant is violating a 1992 contract, which it says prevents the network from disparaging the late singer. That contract was signed when HBO aired Jackson's Dangerous Tour concert. The lawsuit alleges HBO is profiting by airing a documentary that falsely claims Michael Jackson was abusing children on the same tour. It's hard to imagine a more direct violation of the non-disparagement clause. Entertainment attorney Domenic Romano.
The Jackson estate must be thinking, look, we can't let this stand. We have strong economic interest in the reputation of Michael Jackson, and we can't let documentarians make these allegations without being challenged.
Magical childhood adventure.
Still, he says the estate faces a tough battle arguing the case.
They're going to have to show that the statements that these accusers are making are false, and they're going to have a difficult time doing that, given that they weren't in the room.
In a statement Thursday, HBO stood by the documentary, saying, despite the desperate lengths to undermine the film, our plans remain unchanged. This will allow everyone the opportunity to assess the film and the claims in it for themselves.
No comment.
Throughout his career, Jackson repeatedly maintained his innocence and was acquitted of child molestation charges in 2005. Years later, the film and the lawsuit are likely to reignite the debate over the accusations against the king of pop.
I think it's a gift to HBO and the documentarians. It's giving them lots of free publicity, and it's having the opposite of its intended effect.
The Jackson estate argues that it was irresponsible for the filmmakers to not include any defense of Jackson from those who knew him. The lawsuit asks the court to order arbitration and says the damages could exceed $100 million.